Hi. In this video tutorial, we will cover all the features and benefits of the GLAU eLibrary so you can take maximum benefit of the platform. The eLibrary platform sits at glau.refereed.com. To access the eLibrary collections and all its features, you must first log in into the platform. In case you do not have your account registered on the platform, please visit the library and have your account registered. Once you are successfully logged in, you can see your past readings, e-resources recommended by the library, news headlines harvested from many online news sources and the most read e-resources on the campus in the trending section on the homepage. You can browse the library collections by categories or subjects here. Click on any of these subjects to list the resources for that particular subject area or discipline. You can also browse content by publisher. Here are all the e-journals, e-book collections, databases and content platforms that are licensed or subscribed by the GLAU library. So, if I click on this link here, the platform will load all the subscribed Elsevier e-journals. All you need to do is click on the Read button here for any e-journal you wish to read. You will be navigated on the publisher's platform where you can access the full text of any article. You do not need to perform any parallel authentication on the publisher platform. You can read full text in HTML or download the PDF from anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Let's repeat the process again, this time to access an ebook from Pearson. Just click on the Read button of any book and you will be able to access the full text of the title. The platform also features lakhs of open access e-resources curated from hundreds of green or gold standard open access platforms and repositories. These include e-books, e-journals, theses, video lectures, audiobooks, and more. You can also browse e-resources by type of media. Click on video lectures here to learn from more than 150,000 lectures and educational videos harvested from NPTEL, MIT Courseware, and many other educational channels. You can catch news headlines from more than 50 news portals and for various topics. These headlines are updated on a daily basis, and what's great is that you can set up news alerts on any topic or publication of your interest, and the platform will start sending news alerts directly to your registered email address. Now let's see how you can search for e-resources on the platform. We are going to try a simple search by keyword here. The platform first shows the publications matching my search query. I can drill down the search results by year, accessibility, media, author or publisher. In the tab for print collections, you can find all the print resources available in the library matching your search query. Since these are print resources, you cannot read them online, but you can check their availability in the library. If you switch over to the Articles tab, the platform will broadcast your search to all the subscribed journals and databases. Click on this button here once the metasearch finishes to load all the results, and click on the Read button to access the full text of the article. Research scholars can use this meta search to find latest and most relevant scholarly papers and save a lot of time and effort. You can also sort articles by citation count so that you never miss out on the most cited articles. Please note that you can also limit your search to a particular media type using the option available in the basic search bar. For an example, here I am searching for only ebooks related to nanotechnology. You have the option to perform more complex search queries using the advanced search form available here for catalog or meta search for research articles. Every search result includes options for users to personalize their reading experience. For example, you can save a resource for future reference using this Add to Reading List button. Create as many folders as you want and tag as many resources to those folders as you need. You will find all your folders and saved documents in your reading list here. You can select the saved documents and send their links to peers. However, the recipient must be an authorized user of GLAU to access the full text via those shared links. You can also export the references of saved documents in more than 1000 citation styles. Just search for the citation style, for example APA 6th edition, and the platform will create the references for you. All the e-collections, services and features we demonstrated in this video are available not just through the web platform, but also through the GLAU eLibrary mobile apps available on iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. We request you to explore the eLibrary platform and help us spread the word in the GLAU campus. Please do share your feedback and suggestions to take this initiative further. Happy reading!